What's good? What's good? What's good, everybody? Good evening, good evening, good evening, man. It is Tuesday, September 23rd, and this is Late Night Leverage. I'm one of your co-hosts, Zay. I got my boys Quadree and Dre with me. Dre's. What's good, fellas? Say what's up to the people.
Going on.
Who listening to a game? Probably Quadree.
Hey,
Oh
yo,
no.
mute.
Yeah, we can't hear you, bro.
Yeah, nah.
Well,
Hey,
what's
what's going
good?
on, people?
You hear me
What's
now?
up, live?
Yeah, now we can
Yeah,
hear
we
you.
do. Now we do.
But yeah, what's good, fellas? How was y'all day? How was everything going? Not only y'all day, but how's everything going?
I go. Today was a trash day for me, but as far as portfolio wise, was up still. I don't know how throughout this market. I think United Health saved my portfolio.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I just was late to the move. That's all. Chased the move. Got hit with an uppercut. Chased the move. Got hit with another uppercut. Still got my funded account though. I'm good.
So you good? Good. Dre,
Nice,
what's
nice.
good, bro? How was yours?
My day was decent today. I didn't do much. I traded early in the morning. I was looking for a short, and I got it, but I didn't
Yep.
hold all these down like that. No. So it was
Word. Yeah. Good, man. Yeah, I'm with Quadree. Portfolio wise, good. In the futures market, I got cooked today. And really I didn't follow my plan. Like before we went live, y'all, literally this morning. So a habit of mine is I journal, and I've been working on just shortening up my journal. So I have 5 criteria that I write down in the morning before my trading day. Number one is macro, like what events is going on. Number two, I write down what is my bias for the day. Number three, I write down key levels, really just write down the overnight high, the low, and the mid. Then I do setup, what setup am I looking for? And then I write down what's my execution plan, right? And literally today, y'all, I wrote my bias was bearish and my execution was, wait till Powell because Powell talking could spark a sell off. Where I messed up is I was listening to Powell and what he was saying I was like, this isn't bearish. So I just switched and I was like, okay, maybe we're gonna bounce. And we just kept selling. And so yeah, I got cooked, man. I got cooked nicely. But talking to Quadree towards the end of the day, I did catch a few of those little bounces to kind of, work my way back a little bit. So
Oh,
still ended the
you
day red, but it wasn't as bad.
I thought that I thought the whole power hour up though. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, right. Oh, you got. Oh, yeah.
I caught
So
the
I
whole. I
caught.
mean, I got
I
shaken out a little bit, and I caught the whole move up to the last.
but that's what you said though when we was on the phone. You was like, "Bro, it's gonna be the last hour. We're gonna push back up." I was like,
Mhm.
"Bet." So, but yeah, man, and but no, that was
yeah.
that's pretty much where I'm at, man. Things is popping. Shout out to Apple, shout out to Tesla, and all that good stuff. So yeah, fellas, man. With that being said, fellas, so some of the things I want us to chat about tonight, along with trading, is market at all-time highs, bro. And we just keep squeezing. The main question everybody asking is when is the pullback? Maybe, today is the start, right? So that's something I want to, us to talk about a little bit. And just want to shout out everybody in the chat. So we got Strat King in the building, was good. We got Chap in the building, we got Maurice in the building. And so that's gonna be a good segue. So first things first, let me pull up my chart so we can kind of look at the different indices and stuff. So just FYI tonight, y'all, I was talking to me and Quadree was talking, and yeah, after taking that smack down today, I'm gonna just paper trade tonight so I can get my mental right. And just take it easy, right? Just take it easy, get back in the groove of the market, get back to executing my plan. So with that being said, as you can see today, the SPY was down 0.5%. We had the NQ down negative 0.5. And actually, let me put this on dark mode so y'all can see that a little bit better out there in the internet world. Yeah, so down 0.65. The YM literally almost flat, only down 0.11, and then the RTY was down negative 0.2. So and what I also wanted to show is the actual SPX. What's good, Larry? And Mr. Luciano. The SPX hit 66.99. So I don't know if our boy ES God, what's his YouTube name? He always be on here. Fuck. Oh man. He be talking about the gamma fellas. He always on here.
Jay.
I can't think of his YouTube
Yeah,
name.
is he the one that's not? Is he not the one that's Jay?
Huh?
He not
Jay, that's what it is.
Jay.
Jay. Yeah, there
Jay,
you go.
yeah.
There you go, Jay. Yeah. But no, we was talking about 6,700, right? And we hit 66.99, 0.52, and then of course we immediately sold off. So I know. Okay, so Dre, this was something you had mentioned and we was talking about it, right? As soon as Chair Powell said the market is fairly valued or some shit like that, it kind of like, accelerated. But before then, we was talking about how, like, look, man, the market has been searching for any kind of justification to sell off. So when I was doing my debriefing or just looking back, I'm like, damn, I just overlooked so much shit today. That's what pissed me off. Soon as we hit 66.99, that's 6,700 is a huge psych level. We should, to myself, I'm thinking I knew profit taking going to happen there or something. And that was the first sign for me, which as soon as the market opened, we hit 66.99. And then from that point forward, we just immediately started to sell. And then as we got into Jerome Powell, it sold off. But the biggest thing is it wasn't a dramatic sale, right? And so Strat King said, Strat King, this is the question exactly that I wanted to ask you. The SPY does have an outside day, meaning it took out Monday high and it took out Monday low. But every other index, YM, RTY, NQ, none of them had the same thing. Because if we go back to the futures market, and I'll show y'all this, fellas. So you can see here clearly on the ES, right? We took out the high, and I think it took out the low. No, it didn't take out the low. Okay, excuse me. So the ES did not have an outside day, but the SPX and the SPY did, the actual index and the ETF. And the NQ did not have an outside day, but if you look at like the QQQs, we didn't take out Monday's high, nor did we take out the low. So I'm saying all that to say, so Strat King in the chat, let us know what your interpretation of it is. Let us know what you thought, what you think of the actual like index having that outside day versus, I know the futures market didn't necessarily do it, but if you go look at like the SPY and SPX, it actually did have a outside day. But fellas, how y'all feeling, man? Is this the beginning of the pullback?
I don't think so.
No. Not yet.
Nah,
Not yet.
No.
All right, elaborate. Why Quadree? You up first. Why elaborate a little bit?
Every time we think it is, it get bought right up, man. like it's going to happen. I was listening to somebody too, so everybody now is they're privy to like the seasonality. They're privy to how markets move, or at least we think we know how markets move. So everybody's saying the same thing. So now they gotta change the game, right? So I feel like, like even we talked about it here last week, and even in amongst the runners community, all the puts keep piling up and stuff like that. And you would think even with all them puts put up, everybody with all them puts, you would think we have a bigger reaction than what we did. It really wasn't down that much.
We wasn't.
So,
and I agree with you quite. I do think today to me felt very mechanical. Where when I look back on it, I'm like, I don't even know. I guess the market will latch on to Powell and what he said, but to me, it was more mechanical in that we were selling before he even started talking. As soon as we hit 66.99, we started to sell. And shout out to Larry in the building. He said same thing. We hit 25K and we started selling. So it was like we just hit some major psych levels where you should expect profit taking. And it felt like profit taking because if it was like a sell-off or like a watershed moment, we would have been down 1-2% in a day. We literally lost. We on the SPX we went down 50 points.
Yeah, and also we only came to what you said. You don't go.
Yeah, I'm long good. Yeah, paper free.
Oh,
yeah. Well, I told you we gotta get back on track.
We just came to right here to Sunday rain. So literally, we just because yesterday move was surprising. I did not expect yesterday.
You talking about how bullish it was?
Yes,
this right.
This right here. Crazy. This was crazy, bro. This threw me off. Like mind you, I had a good day yesterday, a great day. But this move just threw me off.
I didn't expect it even on Monday, bro.
I didn't expect this move at all. Like, no.
So let me ask something real quick, Dre. Nobody, I don't think very few people expected Monday's move. During the day, I'll be like, I'll have like top step TV in the background. Bro, they was all like couldn't believe what was happening. Like everybody was shocked, and we just like kept going higher and higher and higher and higher. And it was just, I guess after OPEX, everybody thought, okay, sell off. Here comes the sell off.
Yeah.
And
market keep making new weekly highs. We just make a weekly high this week already. That's still telling me we got gas in the tank, baby.
Okay, well, let me ask you this then. What would it take for you to be like, okay, this is a little bit more than a one-day sell-off?
First, we got to go back to NFP and close below NFP, and then we could go pull back, 10%, 20% type of pullback if we get those. I don't think at 20%, but 10 or 15 on NQ, maybe, but we got to get below here.
And what level is that?
That's 23,600. What, 23,700? Yeah. NFP. That's when I start thinking we had to lose that level and previous month 50%.
And NFP, so if I'm looking at NQ on the doji, on a daily, that was a doji candle, wasn't it?
Yeah, right here is his candle.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, what percentage is that from where we are? Like
crazy. So we are all above.
Like, what would that percentage drop be?
5%
to get back down there.
5% drop.
Wow.
4%.
And
drop,
that's and that's when you so you and that's just to get back to NFP.
Yeah, we so bullish. It's not even funny, bro. I can't be bearish.
Yeah, I'm thinking we probably dropped to 24,000 if that, and then want to include and buy it back up. I mean,
think about it. Apple just started running, so
correct. So I'm glad you said that, right? Because shout out to Larry in the chat. So Oh, my bad. So StratKing says, so SPY is legally required to track SPX and mimic it. ES tracks SPX futures. So SPX did have an outside day, so SPY had to do the same. Correct. Larry said we need 25,200-ish. And then he also said Apple needs 270. Monday was too high to join in, but it kept pushing. And Larry said he would need to see a 300 to 400 point day. So, okay, good.
These moves not even doing that. I mean, like, so when you look at it, like I said, and I mentioned this, I think a while ago, like a 200 point move isn't much because we keep moving higher and higher and higher. Like today, I think it was what the NQ was down 0.68, something like that. Yeah. So that's not even 1%, you know?
Right.
So even though these moves look like a lot in points, they're really not big moves.
Got it. Stracky said, yeah, we went over ATR on everything today. Okay. Yeah, I mean, for me, fellas.
Today or yesterday, he mean?
Huh?
We went ATR on what? Today or yesterday move?
He said today.
Yeah, we did. No. How much point was that? On what? On ES?
He said today on everything. I don't know. You guys give him a second to put it in chat. He said on all indices.
I want to see how you track that. Oh, StratKing for sure.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I don't know, man. What I'll say though, for me, fellas, as far as so, all right, I'll look at it. I'll look at it like this. First things first, right? It would be if we were to just take, let's just say we take, and I'll pull my I'll put my screen up real quick, and let me just remove this real quick for a second.
That's so bullish, bro.
Yeah, I know, right? It's crazy. I'm gonna remove these fibs real quick, and then I'm gonna go to my black screen. Okay, so let's just say if we take the monthly range we have right now, right? Currently the ES is up 2.86%. If we take this range, and let me make this white so we can see it real quick. I would say like until ES is at say 65.92, which is basically the 50%. I'm like, all right, as long as we stay above that for now, which is, half of the monthly range we've had so far, I think we continue to be bullish. Same thing goes for like what we always talk about too, Dre, which is if I look at last month's 50% level on the ES, I mean, we wicked off of it. We tested 64.37 and we're way above it. So to your point, like I ain't even really thinking a correction or deep pullback until we at least below prior months 50%, right? So the two levels I have on the ES would be like I said, the first one is I'll just take the current month range and say, all right, we got to get, that's 65.92. Then to really see some damage, we got to get below prior months, which is 64.37. If I do the same thing with the NQ, man, that shit probably looking real crazy. Because the NQ is up 4.89% this month. So much for a bear September, fellas. So to your point, Quadree, you hit the nail on the head. Everybody knows seasonality, bro. So like they switching it up, dog.
You
said what?
Now it's October.
Maybe. Right. So for the NQ though, if we just take the current month range, we talking about 24,139 is the 50%. How does that line up with what your levels is, Drake? I think you on mute, bro.
What was the number?
24,139.
I got 23. Well, that's this. I got 23,666. 660. 23.
Yeah, so 23,662 is last month's 50% level.
Yeah. And this month,
At least for
50%
me.
level?
Huh?
You mean this month, 50% level?
No, that's last
This
month.
is August. Yeah,
Yeah.
August. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
August is 23,662, but I'm just saying in relation to the levels you watching, how does 24,139 stack up?
139. Oh.
And I'll take mine down real quick. Like where does 24,139 like in relation to
That be inside NFP.
that be inside NFP?
Yes.
Okay, all right, got it. Okay, that's what I was watching.
Yeah.
So I mean, just to kind of add to the conversation of what we're saying as far as like what would it take for this to really turn into something else. For me personally, those would be the levels I would be watching, right? Like, first of all, you got to at least try to, Bears got to try to chop in half the current month range, right?
Yeah.
Then once they are able to do that, they need to try to get to the prior month 50%, and that's a lot.
Yeah. That's like 1,000 points. That's 5%.
Yeah. And I don't know, and kind of like what Larry was saying, and like you said too, Dre, which is, dog, Apple just getting started. Like Apple literally just went positive year to date this week.
Yeah.
This week, Apple just went positive year to date. So
yeah, bro.
It's tough, bro. So maybe today was what? Is today just profit taking?
Shakeout, bro.
Just a little shakeout. Because here's the next question, or here's the next thing. Can sellers get follow through tomorrow?
We shall see.
Right? That's what we got to find. That's what we gonna find out, right? And we really don't have nothing on the calendar.
Gold dropping, by the way.
You said we what?
Gold dropping.
Gold dropping. Man, gold, man. Shit. Talking about gold. Gold been on a tear, boy. What's good? What's good, members only trading? What's up, my G? King Rome is in the building. Dre Strat King said he uses SATY ATR indicator on TradingView. So he said maybe it was yesterday. YM did 510 ATR 433. Yeah, he said we came close to breaking structure on the 1 hour, 4 hours today on the ES and NQ. We did. And so that's why it's going to be very crucial. Well, at least I would think that it's going to be very critical to see if sellers can keep up the pressure tomorrow, right? And with retest Wednesday, Dre, we're gonna see.
yeah, baby.
Right, we're gonna see. And King Rose said something as well, which is follow up tomorrow and then reversal Thursday. That may be the case. Also, if people paid attention to what Jerome Powell said today, I know everybody, or I won't say everybody, I know financial media really latched on to the highly valued comment. But bro, he kind of, and we was talking about this in our group chat, in my community chat, which is that Jerome Powell sort of tipped Friday's PCE numbers. Like I was going through, because he was like, yeah, the August reading is going to be 2.7. And I went back and I looked at the numbers and I'm like, none of these numbers match up with the prior data we had. So did he just tell us what Friday's number was?
Yeah, I think he said
I think he did. Like, I don't know. Like, I really think he did, though. Like, I was like, yo, did anybody else catch that? Like, I think he just told us what Friday PCE numbers is going to be.
Unless he meant July.
Even if he did, he did. No, bro. I think he really slipped up because you're right. I think again in the convo, he went back and changed it. And the next time he talked about the PC numbers, he said the 2.9 number. But the first time he said it, he said August came in at 2.7, which indicates when Friday's PCE numbers come out, they could be lower than the last hot reading.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, well, we're gonna see, man. But overall, I didn't think Powell was hawkish or anything like that. Again, people are gonna cherry pick, and the one thing they could cherry pick was what he said about the market being, valued. Right. Yeah. That's all they really could cherry pick.
That's
but
it,
again,
bro.
we knew the market has been searching for any and every reason to have just a cool off. We finally got a red day. Finally got a red day. So, we'll see where we go from there, man. But Dre, what you looking at tonight, dog? You think you taking anything? Looks like I think it's gonna be a slow night, to be honest.
Yeah, probably slow night tonight. I'm actually looking for longs.
Okay.
But the price action is slow.
It's going. Strat King said ICT said that was the intermediate high. Is he back to making content? Like, was that recent? Was that recent?
I think he's back.
Chap said close ain't good enough. Yeah, we need to break them levels. Larry is in longs. Okay, we got Larry long.
I got you, Larry. Yeah, B. I'm waiting too. It's just too slow for me right now, but yeah, I'm with you.
Oh, Strat King said he said it last night. Okay, he got ICT making videos. Is ICT also trading options now? I think that was like the latest that I had heard. He was supposed to start trading options.
I hope not. Yeah. There's no further.
Why you say that, Dre?
He's funny, bro. He's fine. He's a funny guy, bro. Yeah. So, Larry Long, let's go, Larry. What's your target? 24,903 or higher? 32s? Yeah.
If Trump just said this is the golden age of America.
Golden age?
He just said it's the golden age of America.
Who said that?
Trump said it.
Damn, Larry, 22. Oh, you going like that? Okay.
Yeah, he said that's what he looking for.
Well, Larry not playing. Hey, my guy. Let's go, baby. So let me see. Let me see if I can.
I talked me and Zay mentioned we talked earlier about it. Big green yesterday. It was green yesterday with the market going up.
Big green. Oh God. Let's see something.
Yeah, the VIX. Yeah, so the VIX does have a mean divergence on it. Larry said he getting a 25,200, then he loading up his bear bag.
So let me see.
Wow, these gold shorts is printing. Wow.
Gold going short like that?
Yes, sir.
Man, gold been on a fucking dog. It's been crazy to do that run.
Yeah.
He said gold seem to like to dump in the evening lately, run intraday. Bruh, that I'm gonna put Quadree screen up because I think you're looking at gold now. Bro, the London session for gold, they've been
But
going crazy. Europe buying a lot of gold.
Yeah.
what they do that we don't. Let's see. Yeah. Yup.
Oh, I
Damn.
know. Oh, bruh, London, they've been buying gold like it ain't no tomorrow, bruh.
See something.
You say,
Yo.
oh, you're not seeing my screen.
Oh, all
I'm out.
right, hold on. I'll put it back up. Okay, we got you.
Remind me to explain you this chart later or tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, this shit. I finally understand this.
You found it where?
Finally understand everything here.
Yeah, that's a
It's a
there's
lot
a
of
lot.
probability here. Yeah. But I this is legit, bro.
And look it. I mean, I can see. Well, just by looking at it, I can see you got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. You got it looks like some statistics in the top box. You got all levels. Yeah,
So
you're gonna have. We'll have to go through that.
just know this if it's we've been so bullish that this is just crazy to me. But out of the last 43 weeks, we've been hitting this weekly level
Mm-hmm,
83% of the time. The 1.5 extension,
mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Which one?
that's almost the 1.5,
Which table is that, bro? That's
the higher time frame one,
the-
the macro one. This is the ones they would like a lot.
No, I'm talking about. I'm on the thing right now. I got the probability. Which one is that? That's the range analysis.
Yes, the range, yes, and station, yeah,
All right, bet.
yeah. All right, yes, sir. This shit crazy, bro. That's another reason why I'm bullish thing, because this box, red box right here,
Mm-hmm.
we already opened the weekly, right? The weekly open was inside the two, inside the 1.5 extension level for the week.
Mm-hmm.
So this week was already bullish from the beginning. So right now we just getting back retrace to get higher. That's what we're doing, bro.
I mean I agree, bro. Like I when I looked at what the price action was today, I was like, if they really just attacked late bulls stops. Like if you went bullish yesterday,
Mm.
you probably put your stop under Monday low.
Right.
And if you look at where they that's literally where they went. Like,
Hmm.
or at least on the ES, you know what I'm saying? And on SPX. So
Yeah.
yeah.
They might get this. They might get this. Shout out to Sprack equal lows ICT right here.
Mm-hmm.
They might get those and then back up.
Yeah.
So yeah.
You know what else? I also will say this. Another reason that I'm gonna say it this way. All right, yeah, I'll say it this way because I think this is the best way to say it. The reason why I'm not 100% on the seller's side yet is because freaking I know IWM RTY is playing around, but that long-term setup looks so freaking bullish to me. Like that cup and handle that IWM and RTY has, you know, I know it's kind of like playing around, but I think it's playing around because it's gearing up to really make a big move to the upside. And Strat King and I, we talked about this about the whole outside year, and so it's getting really close to taking out them highs. And I think I posted something in the community, and let me see if I can find it. I'll pull it up so I can show everybody. Actually, I know I shared it in the community. Let me see if I can find it. But bruh, people are still, or institutions are still, like record short on the Russell, bro. Let me see if I can find that damn thing. It's
But it
kind of.
happened
I'm
that
like,
train.
let me
Shit.
see if I can find that joint. Yeah, here it go.
Yeah, man.
Oh crap. Can I open it? Nope. Okay. It was a tweet, so no, yeah, here we go. And let me bring this over here. All right, give me 1 second. Oh, Dre, is that the VVIX?
No, it's
PC.
PCC.
Okay, PCC, got you.
Put to call.
All right,
Yeah.
so yeah, to put the call ratio. All right, so here
Yeah.
we go, right here. Funds are the most short Russell ever at all-time high.
Mm.
Maybe I can make that a little bit bigger, y'all can see. And then look at this, like this graph. It say Russell all-time highs, funds positioning. Biggest short Russell position ever, -8 billion. Like that's crazy, yo.
Nigga,
That's wild.
what?
Huh?
That's wild.
Nigga, 8 billion.
Yeah, probably. I mean, yeah, that's what it say.
Dang. Wow.
That's what it say.
That's the biggest right here.
I got you. This the VVIX. Okay, all right.
Yeah.
What the VVIX saying?
Supposed to get some
Is it going
volatility
up?
increase. Supposed to get some
Yeah,
volatility.
yeah. It's about the. We got it today, and the VIX is holding.
Mm-hmm.
So we should expect a little bit more volatility. Okay.
Yeah.
Strat King said, yeah, all we did was balance all the figs created yesterday. Oh, fair value gaps. It stopped at the last created fair value gap on Friday and turned around. Okay. Well, sellers, y'all have to prove yourselves, man.
Ain't no way, bro. Same age. Look at this shit. Come on, man. You crazy, bro? Shit. Oh my god. I heard about oil popping up. That's true. I haven't seen oil in a minute. Let me see.
Yeah, oil did.
You're talking about oil in the weekly. Oh. Oh, boy's talking about OIH, bro.
Who?
Like FX.
It looked good. I looked at. I actually when I saw oil was running today, I went and took a look. And
I ain't read in a minute. OIH.
He got some thesis on it. Say, I want you to. I didn't send you the video.
Yeah, I watched it.
I sent it to you. Yeah, he got some thesis on it.
But I gotta be honest, bro. I'm on. Yeah, today was a nice little pop in energy stocks and oil stocks, but bro,
but he talking about long term OIH, like
yeah. I mean,
far.
yeah, I can see. Yeah, if you go, if you zoom out and look at like the yearly and all that, it could do some crazy things for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
He said, I think oil getting ready to finally break out this run or this range. He said I made almost 200% on Halliburton today. I mean, yeah, don't like look, energy stocks was on one today. I ain't even gonna front, but before that, man, them shit's been looking trash, man. Like, I'm gonna keep it 100, bro. I'm gonna keep it 100, man. Oil stocks, except for VLO. VLO is the only one that is like that shit. Regardless of what's going on, VLO it be popping. But the rest of them energy stocks, yeah, I'm sorry, them shit was trash.
Yeah,
they was looking them setups was looking real trash, bro. And then today they got a nice pop out of that. Yeah, I was like, oh okay, I see y'all.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. It's slow
But
night,
with Trump
bro.
with Trump trying to keep oil low,
Mm.
I'm just not. I ain't feeling energy like that right now.
That's right. Man, Quadree.
Yep.
What's going on? What's going on with your mans, man? The peoples, bro. The Ravens.
Oh, the Ravens.
What's going on? What's going on over there, man?
You got ask them, bro.
Now, what's going on with Derrick Henry and these fumbles, bro? You got a case of fumbleitis this year, bro?
Oh my God, he got 3 already.
Yeah, yo. Like,
they got bullied. That's what happened. They got bullied. That's what happened.
They gonna get it together though, but they'll be all right.
That joint is looking slow. Get together. What? Don't let us lose to Kansas City this weekend.
Oh my God.
Man, we gotta go there. Patrick Mahomes gonna have a field day.
Yeah. I mean,
can't stop a cold. Yeah, 148 passer rating and don't even mean nothing. Putting up 30 points.
Right. Great.
We having 38 points a game and can't win. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's kind of wild, bro.
Dang. And they still try to find a way to blame Lamar. I don't get what more you can do.
Facts. It's 8:00, fellas, by the way. We just switched over. So.
Oh, let's go. Let's get this. Let's see. Get this. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
I might get these gold shorts for real.
Hmm?
You talking about the gold shorts?
Yeah.
They cooking, huh? Man said I might have to get in this for real. Oh.
Here we go.
Yeah, buddy. ES is pushing down.
Any news in over there in Japan or something? Let me see.
No, I think we good today.
Yeah, I don't think we got nothing tonight.
No.
Then we got new home sales tomorrow, but
said Trump speaking at 7:20. That's true.
I don't know, but if he is, it's at the United Nations, and it will. I don't know. And if oh my God, bro. So I heard again, I've been watching this. Yo, I was listening to this dude at the UN speech earlier. Yo, that guy is he is wild, bro.
He is wild, bro. That's our president.
Huh?
That's the guy we put in charge, man. That guy crazy, bro. Oh my God. He said, you didn't do a good job. Oh, what? He said something. I'm like, yo, this guy wild.
He said what?
He said that they didn't support something. Oh my God.
Oh, you talking about the United Nations?
Yeah.
Oh no. Oh, he was going in, bro. He was like, Y'all didn't basically help me finish none of these wars. Like, what's the purpose of the UN?
Oh
He's like,
yeah.
yo, he was like the only. He's like the only thing I got from the UN was a broken elevator, or no, a messed up excavator and a broken teleprompter. Like,
he's like, you like your wife's in shape.
yeah. I was like, bro.
You wild out, bro.
He was going, yo. I was like, yo, this dude is crazy, yo.
Wow. Hell yeah.
Oh, go, what are you gonna do this?
What goes on? Pushing?
Brett Stratton said he made me want to throw my UPenn degree in the garbage. I believe. I can't believe he an Ivy League. Who's an Ivy League grad? Not Trump.
Nah, no way.
Bro, ain't no dog.
It gotta be honorary. You gotta be.
Right, I was about to say he probably honorary, dog. He paid for that. Ain't no way. Ain't no way that guy is a fucking. I don't believe that, Strat King. Ain't no way, bro. He got a UPenn undergrad. How? I'm gonna hit you with a Kanye. How, Sway? What? Are you for real?
No way.
Bro, ain't no way, dog. That's crazy, son.
Damn. Yeah. Go. Yeah. Well, go is dropping too?
Yeah.
No shit. Usually when El Gold drop, NQ pop. Going on?
Mm-hmm.
Usually when gold drop, NQ pops.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh, it's gone. Yes, sir.
Back to being the paper king trader.
Who, you?
Bro, you don't got $440, bro.
It's mental. Oh man, it's crazy.
You said, that trade is up already?
Yeah, it's up $450.
You did minis or micro?
The regular gold, yeah.
Bro, yeah. I just want to say, what was it? Yesterday, yesterday, Monday, the market was crazy because market went crazy, but then gold was up. I'm looking at it now, 1.65 on Monday, and then it was up like another % today with that long ass wick. But I was like, yo, gold is out of here.
Yeah. A lot of people are doing 4K. Wow. Dollar push. What happened? Oh, we're dropping.
Man, $1 ain't. Are we? Yeah, we are.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
37.66. Damn. Yeah, it looks like here comes the follow through.
Yeah.
Oof. We are going down, baby.
It took a shit low. There you go.
Well, there was also we opened with a gap. I figured that gap was gonna get closed.
Yeah.
Like we in a heavy gap area. Oh my god. Oh Lord.
There you go.
Oh, yo, great, bro. I'm about to be
Huh?
about to be on the NQ and YM now.
What?
I'm about to add the YM to the belt.
Yeah? You trading that now?
Bro, you see that thing move, bro?
Yeah, that shit more crazy.
Yo, that shit, that was that
That thing is
after that
pure-
9 o'clock pop, that thing sold down so heavy.
that thing is just like a pure avalanche, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really was.
That
That's
thing
crazy.
with her?
That was like 500 points to the downside.
Yeah. It'd be wild. It's hard to trade, but when she goes, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Why you
Strike
saying
King
short?
said, "Yep, H pattern, yeah, man. Oh, yeah, it was definitely short."
Why you saying
That's why I was kind of surprised. Hey Larry, I see you got short at 838. I ain't gonna front. I was low key surprised you said he was long, bro. I was like, what?
Shit. Yeah. See what happens. He was not doing shit.
Nah, I'm surprised you didn't catch that short, Dre.
Nah, he didn't give me no setup. No entry in my setup.
what am I saying real quick, Zay?
Even with the gap, bro.
Look at this
Yeah.
thing. Bro. This is
Go ahead, there
crazy.
you go. You got it. You got it, Quadree.
You can think at man. It's at $500, bro.
Your thing. Where you get in at? Look like you got a really good entry on it.
797.
797 on gold. Let me go take a look. Oh yeah, you got a fire entry.
Yeah, I use silver because silver was selling off. Still selling off. So gold was like yeah, go back to my old concepts. The lagging indicator, the lagging instrument is the strongest one.
What's your target on gold?
I target been passed, but I'm about
So
to
you just holding.
about that practice discipline.
Got it.
My target though is the bottom of this is 84 into this liquidity right here.
Yeah.
Ooh, and Q formed are nice.
But
Yeah, man. Some nice moves right at 8 o'clock too. As soon as I said it, I was like, yo, we at 8 o'clock.
yeah.
That should say pew 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 pew. Damn,
Yeah.
gold is
What? Also, if I like short, I don't like shorting here too close.
so you don't
I
like
like-
shorting?
Not here.
Yeah,
I like to go to
You're
the
right.
stream.
We already dropped a good distance too.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm surprised you didn't catch this wick. Usually you along it. We take our level yet?
No, we didn't get to the 50. I'm waiting for 99.
Yeah.
We didn't get there yet.
Yeah.
It's here. Yeah. Let's see what happened.
My boy be different with that joint.
We probably get a swipe. We probably get a swipe, right? Boom. Get this, all these lows, and then boom. So let's see. Let's see if I get a trade. Probably do it dirty. Fake everybody short and then go up.
Mm-hmm. You got to, because gold going down, bro. You gotta eventually.
Yeah, yeah, that's that fake shit. Yep. Yeah, man. How Bitcoin doing? Oh,
I think crypto down. Let me see.
it is. Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's flat.
It's flat. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. How many points we move? No, not much. Let me see. 40, 50 points. Okay. 50 points on NQ. 52 points. Yeah. Let me see. Mm, mm, yeah. When earnings season starts, eh?
Middle of October.
Middle of October. Second week.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's when we start with the banks.
Mm, mm, mm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I like earnings season. Get clean move. Hell yeah.
Yeah, should be it should be a good. I would think it would be another good one, to be honest.
Mm, yeah.
I think there's some chatter. There's some little fears out there around this upcoming earnings season, but
Yeah.
I think it'll be okay. I mean, listen, my reason for it like is they really kept like pushing off the tariffs and pushing it off. So I don't, I felt, some people thought this might be this upcoming earnings season. This could be the quarter where we start to see those tariff impacts and stuff like that. But I guess you got the new deals, and he kept delaying some stuff. So I'm like, well, I would assume they all right.
Mm. Yeah, I got some lady from JP Morgan was talking today saying that this market is so bullish that
This market's so bullish, it's bearish, bruh.
yeah, that any crazy earning report, the market might drop 20%.
She said,
So
"What?"
that any earnings like go south, like not expected, the market might drop 20%. I'm like, what the hell? How's she saying that? That shit made no sense.
Yeah, I'm gonna just say this, man. I think when we talking about like some people who make sense, I heard
Hmm.
today one of the well, this is what the guy believes, and actually, I thought it made a lot of sense. He said one of the
Mm,
very first signals that we could be at a top per
mm,
se would be when you see any of these major tech companies talk about uh like stop the AI spending or lowering their AI spend.
Yeah.
He was like, until You see a quarter or two of that where you see not just one company, but a consistency of companies or a group of companies all saying, "Hey, okay, we're starting to slow down our AI spend. We're gonna cut back a little bit." He was like, until you see that, he don't think like this ain't no bubble. We probably gonna keep growing, and we can keep going. And then he was like, the other signal will be. He was like Nvidia. He was like, as soon as I see Nvidia, have to lower numbers or something like that, it's over.
Right.
But he was like, I understand that their comps are going to be hard because of the growth rate they've been growing, but he was like, I can respect slower growth if the growth is still 30, 40, 50%, because you got to think about it. Nvidia's growing at like what, 60, 70% a clip. He's like, even if they still growing at 30, 40, 50%, that's still good. He was like, now, if I see them like not growing or they really had to cut back, then that's when I know we've reached the peak. And I was like, damn, that's a good fucking point.
Yes, sir. And Quadree, you printing, boy. Shit. Let's go.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, so it's hard to trade all-time highs, bro. That shit hard as hell. You want a short. You just want a short. You're like, yo, this shit not short. What? Oh, say you got a question in the chat. I don't know that one. Strat King asking. Now that we have,
all right, I see. He said, speaking of that, if he get the twice yearly corporate earning, that means earning is only going to be twice a year. Oh, you talking about the? You talking about the thing about Trump trying to do, instead of having quarterly earnings reports, we're going to start to see
twice a year.
Give me 1 second here. If he gets, I said, speaking of that, if he get the twice yearly corporate earning, that means earnings only gonna be twice a year. Yes. So I mean, I guess that's just your main question: is it only gonna be twice a year? Yeah, that would be it. You'd have you'd only get 2 earnings reports a year versus 4, which would damn sure make things interesting. I tell you that.
Facts.
Hey. This range holding.
It's trying. Oh, yes, pop back up. Okay.
Yeah.
He said it sounded like it would be voluntary, that they could still report quarterly if they choose, but it won't be required. I mean, there's no set rules yet, Strat King. He just floated it around. I know the new SEC chair mentioned like, hey, even they're gonna like look at it and talk about it. Um,
Hmm.
I don't know. Here's, I guess my perspective would be, okay, even if this was passed or if this was required or whatever, and companies only had to report earnings twice a year, companies still have like investor days and stuff like that. So I would presume that companies would still do something to keep their shareholders and general public in the know versus just like twice a year, right? Whether it is just investor days or whatever the case may be, I think they would do something, right? Um, yeah, I think they
Hmm.
would do something to kind of, keep people in the know, right? Um, so we'll see, we'll see what happens with that. Uh, we'll see.
You popping? Let's go.
Are we?
We close the gap and we about the gap now.
Um,
I mean, we need to
yeah.
close 5 more minutes. But yeah, let's see. Let's go, Larry. You still long? Hmm.
Hmm. Yeah, this whole little range is about to be very interesting. No wonder why, because it's this area.
So October is the best month.
Huh?
October is one of Apple's best months with an average of 6.2%.
Look, all I know is based on my Facebook feed, I know hella people that got that damn new iPhone. So them numbers
Yeah,
about
I
to
just
they
see people
popping.
wait too.
Them numbers should be popping.
Hmm. Come on.
Damn, gold bounced back.
Hmm. Everything,
Huh?
everything coming. Let's go.
Yeah, everything pushing.
Mm-hmm. Damn, goes. Oh no, goes bounce, bounce. Okay.
Yeah, bro. But it like to do that before.
Yeah, bro.
I'm telling you, gold is, that shit is, yeah, that's why I had to kind of leave it alone a little bit. That shit is,
Vicious.
yes, bro. You'll like, and the pops be so fast, yo. You'll be you'll be goddamn, you be good, and the next thing you know, you turn around, that shit done wicked all the way back up to your entry. You like, what the fuck happened?
Right. You're like, yeah, yeah.
Not only will it'll wick back up to your entry just to turn right back around.
Yes, sir. That's why I
Like
stopped playing
what?
that. I stopped playing that joint.
Huh?
I stopped playing that joint for that
Yeah, that
reason.
joint is crazy. You gotta have big patience.
Mm-hmm.
Black Swan said all the silver 256 gigabyte Pro Max sold out in the DMV. I was looking everywhere today. Yeah, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Them new iPhones,
Pop.
bro. Them things was, listen. It was. No wonder why Apple was popping on Monday. All them pictures from the lines in the stores and all that. I was like, oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah, man.
He said, I want an orange 512. Yeah, I ain't even gonna front. I'm one of those iPhone users that haven't upgraded in a long time. So I'm definitely about to upgrade.
I don't even know which one I got, bro. Me look.
I'll be honest with you, I don't know which one I got either. I know it's an old one.
Yeah, look, I ain't even gonna hold you. I know I got this when it first came out. Whenever I might look at my plan and see what I got.
Oh God.
Right. Like I gotta log in to see which one I got.
Yeah.
Oh, give me a minute.
No, it's crazy.
Well,
oh, I got the 15 Pro Max. That's what I got.
okay.
Oh, so you got what Jack King got. How you find? Let me see. You know what? You can go to settings and see what you.
I just went to my Verizon bill.
I'm gonna just go. You only gotta do that. Just go to settings. You can go to like settings. And,
hey Siri.
What iPhone is this?
Hey Siri, what iPhone do I have?
Sorry, I don't understand.
She don't understand. Wow. That's crazy.
Hey yo, you want to know what model I got, bruh?
You got the 13?
Hell no, nigga. I'm still on iPhone 11.
What?
Yo. Nah, say.
Nah. You ain't been paying for a phone for like years.
Yeah, dog. I ain't even realize my shit that old, bro.
And you 6 iPhones behind, bro.
Yeah, I really am, dog.
That shit don't even get more.
Nah, I don't have a button. Nah, he trying to play me. Nah, I ain't got no button. It definitely was. This is probably the first. This is the one when we just started without the button. Damn, I ain't know my shit that old, bro.
Damn.
Yeah, I'm definitely upgrading.
No, his phone older than COVID, bro.
You said what?
His phone older than COVID.
But bro, they come out with a new one every goddamn yo. They come out with iPhones every year. I be like, bro, I'm not doing this. So like, I only upgrade when I have to. You know what I mean?
I'm weak, bro. Y'all got me weak. Oh my God.
So yeah, I think it's time to upgrade though. I'm definitely hella iPhones.
Definitely tired. Definitely.
I'm definitely hella iPhones behind. Facts. Time to get it.
Probably things still work. What's slowing down they be doing? In order for me to get a new phone, they gotta give me at least a 1,500.
Yeah,
they be calling for those promotions on us.
Yeah, He said, man, my brother-in-law still got buttons. He can't upgrade apps or anything. Damn. Now, bro, that's if you still got the button, bro, that's like iPhone. That's like iPhone 8 or 7. Like you,
Nah, chill.
You're going on AQ.
Bird. Damn.
Oh, damn, that was a nice little push in the ES.
Whoop. Bad bullish, bro. Let's go.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He said 7+. I told you, Dre. if you still got buttons, bro, that's like iPhone 7, bro.
One day he gonna click on that button, that joint will pop right out.
Yeah,
that's crazy. Yeah. You on the lightning cable.
Yeah, nigga said that phone is older than Kobe.
He said my phone older than COVID, yo. He hilarious. He ain't lying though. Shit.
What facts, bro?
Hey, yeah. Yeah. He said them iPhones. He said them old phones should all be in Nigeria by now. You terrible, bro.
Where's mom?
Right.
They just finding out about 4G. That would be crazy. I hate that. When you go travel, I be on 3G. That gonna be the worst.
Bruh, so slow.
I'm
Like, bro, y'all need to upgrade y'all infrastructure,
Yeah.
bro.
like, dang, them towers don't expand out here. Like, all these satellites above Earth, bro, they can't get these things.
Right.
Yo, for real, I be thinking to myself, yo, how the hell do I connect to Starlink?
Yeah, for real. They do tell you how you can.
Yeah, that's why I mess with T-Mobile, because they partner with Starlink.
Yeah.
Oh God. Wow. Yeah, that made me laugh today. Yeah. Hey, yo, Shaq, we met up over the weekend. We hang out together.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Good
Yes,
times,
sir.
man. Had a few drinks, chopped it up,
Yes, sir.
each other in person.
Yeah. Tall ass. Yeah, tall ass niggas. Man, I'll be in the league with y'all high. Well, shit. I'll be, yeah,
Bruh.
I'll be yamming a nigga. Rap, pop.
Yo, you hilarious, dog.
Bro. Shit.
Nah, where's Bond? Y'all told me I play roulette though. I downloaded it on my phone and everything.
My boy Hook, bro. Dang. Yo,
Oh,
you know,
you got
Zay,
that, huh?
I guys, I forgot to follow my rules. I usually switch whenever they switch. I switch. I don't stay. I
You talking
fuck
about
with
like if they
my,
switch a dealer?
yeah.
They
If you
switched the
hot,
deal? Did they switch the dealer on us?
yeah,
They did. Oh, I won't
we
even know.
gotta go. Gotta go.
Yeah, you ain't lying. You right. You got
You
to be up
go.
out of there.
Yeah. Nah, we didn't trade in no bar. Yeah,
I was gonna say, nah, we was drinking.
chilling.
Yeah, just kicking it.
The 3 hours go by fast. 3.5 hours we spent that joint go by fast, bro.
Hell yeah.
I
Facts.
didn't even watch the game anyway. It was a blowout.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I was gonna say,
Yeah.
Black Swan. We was it was like a few college games on.
Mhm.
So we was at like the little sports book joint. Um, yo, that little sports book joint. Yo, that joint was that shit was nice too, bro.
Mhm. Yeah.
They was low key. They was lit in that joint. You could tell they was betting on the games because every time niggas go, they be hype.
Oh, that dude was
Ah!
yeah, that dude, niggas
That
about
boy,
to yo, you feel what I'm saying? Like, dang.
Yo, they was
that
hype,
boy was,
bro.
my boy was heavy. Hell yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Nah, nah, for real, I'm gonna go back next month.
Wait, to that spot?
I mean, I was there the next day. I was down the corner from it.
Oh, yeah, because you say,
Yeah.
how was the game?
They lost. Everybody in my life losing, bro.
Damn.
Only team winning right now.
Wait
They
a
ain't
minute, hold
keeping.
on. The Eagles ain't lose.
I'm not Eagles. No, I'm not Eagles fan. I'm a Ravens fan.
I know, but didn't you go to what game did you went to the Eagles game
No, I
though,
went
right?
to my nephew game.
You went where?
But to my nephew game.
Oh, to your so your nephew and them they lost?
Yeah.
Damn, tough. What was the score?
What 30-24?
Who they
Damn.
played?
That was youth football, bro. I don't
I
know
know
the
what I'm
team up
saying.
there.
You don't know. Okay.
Yeah. I don't I'm not I
Play,
don't
he play in PA.
so I got two nephews. One play at high school.
Uh-huh.
I went to that Saturday. They got a younger nephew that's 7. No.
Got
He 9. Wow. He 9.
Damn.
All right. And that's the game you went to
Sunday.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Got it. Damn, they got youth playing on Sundays.
That's crazy.
Right.
Yeah, bro.
I'd be like, bruh. I hope they
I
play
gotta
early. I hope they play early enough for y'all to make the NFL games.
Nah, last day be like 2 or 3 o'clock, depending on how it's shaped.
Oh nah, they
They be out
tripping.
there.
They
When I was
better
out there
change.
Sunday. When I was out there Sunday, they was a little shaking because they had all their Eagles uniform, their Eagles jersey on.
They tripping, bro. That league tripping. They need to fix that.
Yeah, where? I'll be the coach. I'll be like, there's no game of football. There's no
Okay,
no
I was
way.
just about Dre. I was about to say the same thing. Fuck that. I was like, yo, my kid ain't playing in this league. We got to find you a different league, bro. We need a league that play on Saturdays or something.
Yeah. Yo,
funny.
no way. Ain't no way, bro. You crazy? Shit.
I could say this week's slated games this past weekend was not interesting like that. Now how they played out they were, but as far as the matchups,
Oh, Joe, we never talk about the fight. Canelo got smoked, bro.
and Crawford won me a lot of money. That's all I know.
Go ahead. My bad.
Yo, boy, get Canelo the business, my guy.
I mean, listen, man. It's all them skills, bro. He outboxed him.
Yo, when you can switch, you can switch while you fight, bro. That's confusing as hell.
Yeah, but I don't even think he don't even think he did it though.
He had homie look
He just, bro. At the end of the day, he just outboxed Canelo. Here's the difference, right? I think a couple things stood out to me about Terrence Crawford in that fight. Number one, it really displayed that man's skills. Like, I would have if you really put prime against prime, I'd love to see Crawford versus Mayweather. That would be a hell of a fight. And then I would say the other part is this what really made me like. Granted, I knew Crawford was the shit when he beat the shit out of Spence, but like, do y'all remember when Canelo fought the Charlo brother?
Yeah.
Okay, he's supposed to be nice, but he was like running. Canelo dropped him once. You know what I mean? Like he was kind of just fighting to survive.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like he got that check and that was it. Man, Bud he stayed in the pocket with Canelo. He like really was like going like he was putting them paws on Canelo, bro.
Yo, Canelo got hit one time. He like, dang, he just hit me with that.
Yo, you talking about that one that everybody
oh, you got that? You got that?
But I say that to say because people was like, before Bud fought Canelo, after he beat Spence, they was like, well, we want to see Bud fight the Charlo brother. I don't even think that would be a good fight now. Like, he probably beat the shit out of that. Bud would beat the shit out of them.
There's nobody that can fight that guy, bro.
No, Bud need to just retire, bro. Ain't nobody out there right now.
Ain't nobody can fight that nigga, bro. Yo, that is a monster,
But see, he the cash cow now, so he trying to cash out a little bit. So he trying to, his next two fights, he could easily get 30-40 million a pop. He trying to get that bread.
Should, bro. He only got paid 10 for this fight.
Yo, bro, he only got 10 million for that fight. Canelo got 150.
Yeah, that
makes
no sense.
I'll say this: he gonna get more from
get the endorsements
the gate and draw. So his purse might have been 10 million, but he gonna get a little bit more. He probably get a little bit more. But nah, if I was Bud, I ain't gonna front. I'll milk it. Give me 2 more fights against who it don't even matter. Shit, just let me get my 30 million per fight and I'm good, yo.
Yeah.
They was talking about they want Bud to fight the Benavidez brother, the monster, but that cat, he might be too big for.
He's too big. Yeah.
That mug is like 6 foot. And then when he do fight at like 168, 175, but when he with no rehydration clause, that motherfucker gonna come in that bitch like 200 pounds. That'll be like a heavyweight.
It's different, bro.
But nah, overall, yeah, man. Bud definitely did his thing. He cemented himself as the best pound for pound in this era.
100%.
You know what I'm saying? I would say for me, out of the boxers I ever seen, like I would definitely have to rank. I still got Floyd as number 1, but Crawford number 2. That's a bad man, yo.
Wait, you got Mayweather best ever?
Number one, yeah, best, bro. Florida's the best boxer I've like with my eyes witnessed, watched his fight. Like I can't,
Yeah.
I can't talk about them old guys. I mean, yeah, I saw, I could watch their fights on YouTube and shit, but like me being alive and
Yeah,
growing
I
up
feel
and
you.
nigga,
Yeah,
Money Mayweather, that
yeah.
hands down,
TBE.
he the
Yeah,
goat.
hell yeah.
He the
Yeah,
goat.
he definitely. Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
because
Like
Roy
I can
Jones, I didn't see
recall,
Roy Jones. Roy Jones, I didn't. I mean,
I was young, but I saw him. But even still, bro, like Roy was nice, but he lost.
right.
Yeah.
I mean, at the end of the day, you know what I mean? And
This,
I'm not saying losing don't make you the best, but I mean, it's only few many people that could be like, nigga, I was undefeated. I ain't never lost. And
right.
my top two is two of them, Floyd and Bud. Ain't nobody
Right.
never beat them.
Shit.
So,
Hmm.
but yeah, man, he that's kind of crazy, yo. But and I think that fight also displays just how much better Bud was than Spence, bro.
Yeah.
Like the way he whooped Spence ass was so
Bro.
bad.
It wasn't even
Like,
fair,
then
bro.
for him to go in and dominate Canelo like he did just goes to show how much of a mismatch that fight was for for him versus Spence. No wonder he beat Spence so bad, bro.
Yeah, bro. That guy was tweaking in the ring. They said he was on pills. He
Who?
when Spence
They
when
say
he
he was.
fought him, he looked crazy, bro. He was looking
I ain't gonna
all.
front. He did though. He was
He
looking a
looked at
little.
like, yo, he alright, but
He definitely looked a little high.
yeah, bro, he was not looking straight.
Black Swan said Bud should drop to 160 and be a champ in 6 divisions.
That'd be crazy.
Who's in 160 though? Like who would he fight in 160? Like I don't even know who's in that weight class.
Man,
Anybody notable?
you'd be a fool to take that fight.
What if you him or
To
anybody?
fight him in that weight class.
I mean, so all right, here this the other fight they said. Bud dropped down to 160 and Boots go up to 160 and they fight at 160.
Who?
But
Who?
Terrence don't want to fight Boots.
Nah.
But I feel like that's the only viable opponent.
But
He was still whoop Boots ass, but I mean that's the only good fight. Like that might be the only cat that I can't even say got a chance, but he ain't gonna be scared.
That's why he gonna last long, bro.
It would.
It last probably 3-4 rounds. Oh
Yeah,
man,
bro.
it's hard, bro.
Black Swan said, I don't want to see Boots lose. A lot of people don't, but if he fight Terrence, if he fight Bud, it's over. That's an
Right.
L.
Quick.
Talking about being delusional.
Okay. Side note too, while we watching this market, what y'all think about this Jake
No.
Paul and Tank fight? Y'all see that?
I know.
Y'all see that face to face?
Shit looks like
Somebody say
Um,
this is when Tank realized he sold his soul to the devil.
Who did that?
When he was up there on stage, and because he realized he gotta do, Jake Paul up there. Was it Jake or Logan up there doing this to him? Putting it.
oh, Quadree, you got questions in the chat.
Yeah. King Russ said Boost on one that got a chance, and then CD said, "What indicator are you using for that HTF candles on the right of your charts?"
Using the T-Trades indicator. You gotta pay for it. It's like $45 a month. You can use the ICT high time frame one for free.
Yeah. Or you can make your screen double and put the force shine and
Yeah, we can do that.
that too. You can make your screen double. If you don't have to pay for that.
Yeah, you can look at it on 2 different screens like this.
Yeah, you do it like that.
Let me get all this BS off here.
Mm-hmm.
And we got that 5 minute, have the hour on.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's it.
That's a nice look for an hour though.
Yeah. Yes, it is. Yeah, that way you don't have to pay. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Hey, we're moving. We holding that Sunday range, guys.
For now, till
For
we
now.
get to London.
You expecting Marcelin tomorrow? Nah.
I mean, it's retest Wednesday, so we'll see.
Yeah, no,
Oh, yeah.
baby. Who's that? YM?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. What's good, Jay? We was
Jay
talking
in the
about you
building.
earlier. You in the building.
There you go.
I forgot. I was about to ask him something, but about from earlier, but I forgot.
Big Gamma, 6700.
Yeah, but no, he said we was chatting on Twitter, and I it was so funny because I was literally about to tweet is 6,800 too much to ask for, and then I went ahead and I didn't tweet it, but I scrolled up, and then next thing I know, I saw Jay. He was like he said something about 6,800, and I was like, oh shit, and he was like they rolling them out till October, so it's possible. It is possible.
Yeah. Damn, man. No trade, no setup for me to trade. Shit.
Yeah, right. Nothing. And we said it though. We said it was probably gonna be a slow night after you know that New York one session that 10 o'clock that was just popping. So
Yeah, it was great.
I
Yes,
think
sir.
they'll try and hold it in place until tomorrow morning, and then we'll see what's up during the cash session. You know, but then also too, there's you know, with unemployment claims and PCE on Thursday and Friday, that's you know, they might be waiting for that. All right, Larry, man, have a good night, brother.
Who's Larry?
Shit,
Take
yeah,
care.
we might even call it a wrap early tonight because ain't nothing really popping.
See.
All right.
You said what?
Now, so I see we can get this little push on this on the Nasdaq, but
That's it. But we stuck there though.
Yeah.
like last night, last night was treacherous. I blame my trading last night on the Ravens. I swear they was controlling the market last night.
Yeah.
Bro, that's another reason I'm pissed at myself about today because man, I didn't try to trade last night. I just went to sleep, and when I woke up, I put that shit on the floor. I was like, "Yo, all these fucking dojis, this is some bullshit."
Yeah.
That don't look terrible, bro. Like I was like, "Yo, what is this?" Like if I let me put my screen up real quick. And AJ, Dre, this was another thing too where I was a little frustrated with when the 12 hour showed up and I saw this setup where this power bar and then this little ass doji. I was like, man, they gonna definitely sell this back down.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But on the 4 hour, you go look at like, let me scroll over, bro. Look at this. What is this?
Terrible.
What is that?
I never seen that pattern in my life.
Bro, what is this? Like, doji.
You ever seen the fork handle like that? Look,
yes, I have. I've seen it every now and then.
Like that?
Now and then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially when you especially after you get like a big move like that. I've seen it happen every now and then. You know, it's not often. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? Like it was just doji. That's why I was like, man, This 10
That 10
o'clock,
o'clock
this was the move. This was it. Then what we got here? Another doji at the end of the day.
Yeah.
And we're probably about to get another doji here. We're probably gonna get another doji here.
Yeah.
And then London, we might see some movement in London.
Yeah.
That's why I said
the push.
That's it.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Yeah.
Maybe. Jay said once XPS lost 66.90, position shifted down to 66.50 really quick. Yep, absolutely. And that's what I was. So, all right, I think that's what I was going to say, Jay. I'm not sure if I remember that's what I was going to say all the way. But what I was going to say was again, and we talked about this earlier, Jay, which was that once SPX this morning hit 66.99, like right at the open, and started selling.
Mm-hmm.
To me, the whole day just felt very mechanical because it was very slow in the beginning, and we didn't really start to accelerate till Powell said what he said. And even then, we say accelerate, but we didn't really, the ES dropped 50 points from 6,700. That's it. Yeah. If it was like a real big sell-off or a scary sell-off, we would have sold from 6,700 straight to 6,500 like that.
Bang.
Like bang, yeah, like them fucking where every hour candle is 50, 60 points.
Yep.
Yeah. Doom's candle. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're not there yet. So far, so good.
Yeah. So far.
Unless this bird got something hiding tomorrow, like show me, then yeah, but no, I don't see it.
This price action is horrible,
bro. This is trash, bro. That's why, we about to go ahead and get off at 9, dog. I'm about to go put my daughters to bed, man.
Yeah,
this is horrible.
Looking like last night.
Yeah, man. I'm about to let's go ahead and save our mental capital because this is trash.
Facts. That's a good point. Say the mental capital. Yes, sir.
Yeah, ain't no need to keep looking at it. Let this shit just do what it do overnight. Come back fresh in the morning.
The only move was gold.
That was it. And that's not even moving.
that joint is really on pause. That's crazy.
Chap said the Fed sell-off was worse than today. You talking about like the FOMC joint, Chap?
Yeah.
Yeah. Jay said on his platform saw the pullback coming previous day due to them positioning lower for today's. Oh, okay, I got you. I see. Yeah. Yep. And then I would also say, Jay, there was a few signs, bro. Like Quadree mentioned how the VIX was up 4% yesterday. The market was up. That was kind of a tell sign. I think the fact that everybody got caught off. Well, I won't say everybody, but a lot of people got caught off sides on Monday. Definitely blew a lot of shorts out because I'm pretty sure hella people was in puts thinking Monday was gonna be a sell-off, and then when that market just went bananas, boy, they was whew.
Yeah,
it was covering their ass off. Jay said 9/25 can be another pullback day. Is that that's PCE day? That's Friday, right?
Friday, yeah. It could be.
No. That's Thursday. That would be Thursday.
Oh yeah. See, what's this?
That's when we get unemployment claims and GDP that day.
Yeah. PMI was not good today, right?
No, PMI was okay.
It was good.
It was in line.
Okay.
Yep. Manufacturing was 52. The forecast was 52.2. Services was 53.9. The forecast was 54.
Okay.
I'm telling you, bro. I think at this point, it's just the market is going to. It wants to cool off, consolidate. You know what I mean? Like, yo, let me catch my breath real quick. I've been gone. I've been sprinting. I need to get a little air so I can charge back up.
Yeah, facts. That's facts, bro.
Shit, I'm gonna tell you what need to slow down is fucking gold.
Yeah, go need to get something at the Bitcoin.
Yeah, like bro, Bitcoin been selling. I just gold just up and up and up. Like, bro, can we get a pullback in that? Everybody talking about they want to pull back in the market, bro. Look at real talk. Look at this. Look at this breakout on gold, bro. This shit is. Let me share my screen real quick. Let me change it to the black real quick. Dog, this is ridiculous, bro.
Shit. I don't even want to see this chart, bro.
I'm about to measure from this joint is bro, this joint ran 13%, bro. We're talking about gold.
Yeah.
Matter of fact, let me see something. I want to see. You know what I'm about to do. You know what I'm about to do. You know what I'm about to do, Dre.
Yeah.
I don't know what I just moved, but I'll fix that in a second. Let's say this looks like this is about the base. Yeah, because I remember when we was on the show, I was like, yeah, it's been in this channel for a good minute. Let's see if we proof it. Has it hit its target? Yeah.
It did. Yeah, that's up.
It's outside, if you know what I mean, if you proof it. And then I bet you that's really, if I do this high, this low.
To the T.
Yeah, it might be. Or it might even have a little bit more up room.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
But look where it will put it at though. 4,000 or 39.78, basically 4,000.
Yeah.
And that's where I think I've seen some cats talk about that's where it's gonna go.
Yeah. Yeah. They do.
Gold having a crazy year, man.
It really is.
It's been 2 years, bro. Go.
I mean, yeah, sure. Look at this. Look at that.
And I was long gold over there, and I cut it.
I was long silver, bro. I cut it. You already know that.
Yeah, I had to leave, bro. I don't even want to think about
it.
Bro.
Crazy. Yeah.
But yeah, fellas, it's 9 o'clock, man. We're gonna call this joint a wrap, bro. This evening. Y'all got anything before we bounce? I know we'll see the people tomorrow, so hopefully we'll have some better nightly action.
Yeah, man. Right. Let them run. What time you get for London, yo?
Who, me?
3.
Yeah.
Yeah, my alarm set for like 2:55.
Okay, so you catch the open.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do that.
No, but dog, I'm telling you, what I do is I have my alarm set for 2:55. It goes off. I wake up, come downstairs. I'll be down here for about 3:15. If I don't see what I want to see, nigga, I cut that shit off. I go right back upstairs, get right back in the bed. And I ain't up very long.
You get up for a midnight snack.
Yeah. Use the bathroom, get right back in the bed.
Yeah.
Shit. All right. But the people, we will catch y'all tomorrow, man. Same time, 7:15. You know what I'm saying? This is another episode of Late Night Leverage. Y'all be safe, man. We'll catch y'all tomorrow. Show.
Peace.